Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
President ke Hspdp ubak ki pipangyang lapan pau ke Sngewsih bakum unong yalam uklem yo jingtep shanu ki armut ki MLA jong kaseng kila jakno shiteng wat hadian bakila don lang hakaju ke jingelang kham haswa upangyang lapan pau ya kani hakajan mi jong lai tarik ulaber arhajar arpulai hadian balawai ke jingya kandu jong ki nong yalam neki sengsan perthai baper hayeng sa jong MLA ke UDP na amlarem ubak lakmen rembui ki armut ki MLA ke Hspdp ki brang shusha ajiat Kibakan top yo ba shakler warjeri na mau that raishan constituency, badu ba Methodist Dakar na Motionroad constituency, kila Leit ajing Kyrshan ke NPP bantau sorkar, namar kila Aida ba kamdan jingya peri ki ban Kyrshan ke NPP, kabadai ke seng na Megalia, namar ke UDP ru, kakloy ban nitray lang ke TMC, kabadai ke seng na kawaipat ke jela. Haba kali lama ukum unong yalam udan jing suban ni bagi armut ki MLA ki balaja na ke jing yalang kila Leit ban ajing Kyrshan no ya ke NPP ban tau ya ke sorkar uba pangyang loong ba umpala ban ong AA handai endang syang perkat bat wat jing tep shanu ki tegi armut ki MLA ki balaja ajiet jong kaseng kila ja.
It is very unfortunate that we from the party leaders and all the along with the two MLAs this morning at 11 a.m. Actually, we came here in the residence of Mr. Lakman Ramboi, meeting with all the leaders of the various parties to discuss and to find solution how to form a new government in Meghalaya. But we are regretted to inform you that after 2 or 3 hours, they were here with us, but they have gone somewhere. Until now, we do not know where their where's about. So that is the the information that we get right now. So we are very sorry that we do not know where's their where's about, and we are trying to find them. And let us try to find where they are. And we want to speak, and we want to talk, and we want to settle if any problem thereof. So that is the message from the Hspdp party.
Trong cái TMC Congress bật kiwe tại cái ông đang lại và lấy ta vào đây cả NPP bật cả BGP rồi thì vào đây thì là cái này cái gì
em ya kata ngam padla ban ong ye ya ka jing Sngewsih balai bi ja nang ni balai ban bat chenu kinya Leit ban ya long prolog te nagaliang jungi kum ka parti kim padla ban ong ye na marba ni dang don hangni ban ya shong bat ki ban ya berkat rakapor bakin don kini ki MLA barkot jong kini ki parti parties te kilalaba jano te ni himla panong ye hedu menta
suspect ne am kila Leit katai pat koi ka kam
em hadu menta hadu kini kapor man don hangni baro sisi himla panong te ni ong bangin tip kambatan dang ila wajing tip daka parti hingin ya shong perkat bagin wajing tip sinu ki don balik kija
menmiet dia melihat jadi dia wan sini dan lang wan kini
em kata ngam don jikti bi haba menin yuan bet yang thina ka konstitusi adin bang leyo ban yo ko vote but ni appoint me disene tenre ya kata ka jingle jungki sha ta sha no shino ting don jikti bi ko party eta minimum step ni khot ki ban wan bang don ka jinglang hame
Maybe filing FIR against them.
no as of now we have no decision how to deal with this situation, but first we will sit in the as the party meeting, and then we will take a call what to do. And
Are they in the other camp, in DP camp?
I cannot say as of now because the whole day we are here with them only. But recently they found, they have gone somewhere. So we have no say about that.
did they inform you before leaving
No, they did not inform us. That's why we are so, surprising that they found that they have left this place without knowing by the party leaders.
what action will you take
See, regarding that, because it is too early to, to say. After the party has the opportunity to sit and to discuss about this matter, then we can see later on. But now we have no say at all. What action can be taken against them? We met and we sit together and we have discussed that today will come today in this place in the residence of our former Home Minister to discuss the formation of the government. But I have nothing to say about what is the option or the decision that they have immediately taken by them only, not by the party.
Congress Sangma has claimed that he has.
Yes, as I have mentioned that this morning they are with us only. Just now, they gone wrong. So I have no say. I cannot say about that unless until we will find the fact why they are missing from this place and why they are going somewhere. So until unless we get the information from them or proper information, then I can say that I can